Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense. Are you tired of just living from paycheck to paycheck or looking for an opportunity to boost your income? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to discuss profitable ways to earn additional income that you can start today, whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or you just want to save for a peace of mind. These strategies are designed to work, and they do work, no matter your skill set or your schedule. From side hustles that you can actually do from your couch or business ideas that will transform your financial future. We've got you all covered in this video. So grab a pen and paper because by the end of this video, you're going to have plenty of actionable items to get you started with making money today. Let's get into it. The very first thing that you can actually do is freelance your skills. You can do so by offering your writing ability, your programming ability, graphic design ability, anything that you can actually do and offer as a service. You can do that today by using platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. This will allow you to capitalize off of your expertise and do so right away. Not to mention, you will get to set your own price in terms of what you're willing to work for. Sometimes you will actually win the contract, and sometimes you may have to negotiate your rate, but at least you are in control of the rate that you're charging and you're generating additional revenue right away. Not to mention, these platforms don't take very long to actually register and start offering your service extremely fast. I know many people have backgrounds in a myriad of different areas, but believe it or not, if you are strong in a particular subject matter, you can offer that as a tutor in some capacity or another. Now, if you have a strong knowledge of math, science, English, and things, history, and things of that nature, you can offer those for not only foreign students, but you can also do so for local students who are actually in online programs. Websites such as tutor.com can be very instrumental in getting you started in offering this type of service starting today. Not to mention, there are many other websites that are available for you to offer a tutoring service, a national capacity as well as an international. But it's yours for the taking. If you have a car, you can always start doing rideshare services right away as well. I know many of you don't want to possibly provide that type of service, but if that is something that you are open to, you can actually do that right away. Driving for services such as Uber and Lyft can earn you money on a daily basis. Normally, you can get paid right after you have made a drop off. The great thing about this also is, in addition to making that additional money, you get to choose exactly when you want to work. So your schedule is your schedule as it pertains to driving for a rideshare company. Another way that you can actually make money right away is delivery service. There are several different services that are out there that you don't have to do anything other than pick up groceries or pick up food and deliver it on behalf of the customer. And this particular job could be definitely another thing that you can do right away that will provide additional revenue. Companies like DoorDash and Instacart are just two that come to mind in terms of getting started right away. This is also another side hustle that will allow you to create your own schedule. Whenever you are available, you can go to work, which is a huge advantage of this type of work. Not to mention, there are multiple social media platforms. And if you have a phone and you have a voice and content, you can become a content creator. Now, the only thing about content creation is that you will not get paid right away. But if you are consistent over a period of time, you will be able to earn money by creating content on an ongoing basis. And the more content that you create that's high quality, great content, you'll be able to monetize off. And that could lead to a very healthy side hustle over a period of time, but definitely not one that you're going to get paid with right away. But you can get started today. You can also start flipping items. Flipping items for profit is not uncommon. You can purchase things from thrift stores and online, from garage sales, and turn around, mark them up, and resell them on multiple platforms. You have platforms such as eBay, you have the marketplace in Facebook. There are all types of places that you can actually take items and flip them for a profit. Although this may not be something that will get you rich, it is definitely something that will make you money right away. And not to mention, you don't even have to go out and buy things for this particular area. You can actually look around your home and see and identify things that you no longer want, put a price tag on them, and sell them. This is a huge opportunity, and it's definitely one thing that you can do if you're one that's trying to minimize the amount of stuff you have in your immediate space. Virtual assistants is something that has been around for quite some time, and if you have the opportunity to provide a service in an administrative capacity or in any way, then by all means consider becoming a virtual assistant, because you can make great money. There are some virtual assistants that make a low amount of money. But the great thing about becoming a virtual assistant is you can name your price if you're actually using a platform such as Upwork or a Fiverr type platform. But if you are working as a virtual assistant for a certain company, sometimes they may identify what they're willing to pay. But as an independent virtual assistant, you can make a lot of money. Get started today. It doesn't take a whole lot. All it takes is the ability to offer the service, a computer to render the service, and the ability or the motivation to do so. Get started today as a virtual assistant. If you are one that's really good with your hands and you're very crafty, you can sell homemade or custom goods or products. And when I say goods or products, it could be jewelry, it could be crafts, it could be artwork, it could be anything that you make or create on your own. You can sell these products on Etsy or Facebook Marketplace, or if you have a website of some sort, you can also sell it there. Not to mention there are local places such as flea markets and garage sales that you can actually sell today as well. The only thing you need to do is get started. Guys, you can also start selling digital items. I know you're wondering, well, what are digital items? Think about ebooks or courses online, or you can do printables. These are all digital products that you can sell online. Not to mention, these items can generate an ongoing income stream for you if you have a lot of inventory. Not to mention, these products can generate ongoing income for you. Once you create a course, that course can sell over and over again. Not to mention, once you create an ebook, that ebook also can be sold over and over again. So that is a residual income stream that you can create by creating these products and selling them online. And the last one will be dropshipping businesses. You can actually set up an online store without holding any inventory for any product. The suppliers will actually ship out all of the products for you. Not to mention, this definitely reduces your hands-on work and simplifies the logistics. Overall, it's a win-win. You get to make money from a product that you never have to touch, and the customer get exactly what they need in a timely fashion. Guys, I've given you many different opportunities and strategies to get started with earning additional revenue today. Each of these opportunities require an initial investment of time and effort, but offers a huge financial reward. Choose an option that aligns with your skills, your interests, and your resources to maximize your earning potential. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, the first step to opportunity is action. So pick an idea and get started today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.